As you'll notice, the main difference with Windows 11 and Windows 10 is the user interface. For instance, the taskbar is now centered, and apps may have slightly different icons. The taskbar is an extremely useful tool as it can help with quick access and efficiency when navigating through Windows 11, and it is extremely customizable. For example, if you want quick access to an application on your taskbar, you can simply right-click and then pin to taskbar. If you would like to remove it, you can right-click and select Unpin from taskbar. You could also reorganize your apps by simply clicking and then dragging them across to your desired spot. The Start menu is also a tool that is helpful in finding all your installed apps, and it is also very customizable. By selecting, you can see all your installed apps and all your pinned apps. If there is not a pinned app in the Start menu, you can simply right-click and select Pin to Start, or you can even pin to the taskbar from this menu as well. Other useful tips for navigating Windows 11 is through the search bar. Simply select the search bar and type in any app, file, or folder you are searching for. The taskbar also holds direct access to other tools such as notifications and calendars, as well as the system tray to be able to connect in and out of the internet or Wi-Fi connection. The desktop overall is similar to previous versions of Microsoft Windows, where you will simply have a display of shortcuts to a variety of apps and files, as well as web browsers such as Edge, Google Chrome, and Firefox. Edge, of course, is the default web browser as it's a Microsoft product. So if you're looking for Google Chrome or Firefox, you'll have to download those web browsers individually. As a user, you have many options for quick navigation and access to your apps, whether that's through the desktop, shortcuts, the taskbar, or the Start menu. Of course, this is your preference, so feel free to utilize whatever you feel is necessary.